Dang.
You already know. If you know what the STO is about, you know about these keys.
Uh-oh. It is Sunday again. We all know what Sundays are. Sundays are not only the craziest days, but Sundays are Houston's day off. So what we have today, from what we have, I have a client in our Huracán STO, which is our highest priced vehicle per day. That vehicle is currently, what I hear, on the side of the road.
No! God, please, no! No!
Out by the Hoover Dam. So we're gonna get in the truck. Beer and I are gonna go on our rescue mission. We'll get some produce and everything on the way out there. But Sunday afternoon, in the heat, you couldn't ask for anything better. Royalty Exotic Cars, you gotta love this job. Beer, where's the vest?
Oh, snap.
We need the vest, baby.
I gotta take my shirt off.
All right, all right, it's vest time. When the green vest comes out, the best things come out to play. What's your first reaction on seeing the pictures?
Damn. I just want to say I called it, but I mean, like, I didn't really want to say it. Like, you know, that car was gonna end up the way it ended up. It sucks, but you know, who didn't see it coming, really? You know.
I mean, you throw a race car out there, and people think they're race car drivers, right?
Yeah. But, yeah.
The car's pretty torn up. This is the first time I saw the car fully outside of the video, and it may be more like an autocycle, which is a three-wheeled vehicle. We've teamed up with Wizza again, guys. Wizza has been an amazing partner of ours, and what we are going to do is we're letting everybody know that for just $20 or whatever it does take, you can be driving home in the McLaren 720S. Now, the McLaren 720 has 700 plus horsepower, V8 twin turbo engine, 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. One of the best bang for your bucks under $1 million. So what you're gonna wanna do, guys, is you're gonna go ahead and hit the link in our description, and you're gonna go ahead and purchase the amount of tickets that you would like, but make sure you enter promo code ROYALTY to get 10% additional tickets on top of what you already purchased. So guys, I want you guys to be able to win this car. And when you do win this car, what we'll do is we'll fly you out to come hang out with us. So again, hit the link in our description, promo code ROYALTY, and get 10% additional tickets. We're gonna go check it out, get all the inside scoop, all the details. The police are there. They've already notified everybody that we will be the ones picking up the car. So the Royalty tow truck coming in handy again. We are 26 minutes and 26 miles away, and so we'll be there about 5:30. It's gonna take us a minute to load this one up for sure. Yeah. But we are ready.
At least the all-wheel steering is actually, you know, pretty, I guess,
Intact.
obvious.
When was the last time you were out at the Hoover Dam?
Never.
Never?
Oh, rescuing a car.
Oh, cool. Which car was it?
720.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I thought it was that. I thought I had a coolant leak, but I guess it didn't it?
Technically.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Coolant overflow, something like that. It's all good.
At least he caught it from, you know, catching on fire.
So apparently the renter's gonna be there. He's a super cool guy. He's rented from us a bunch of times. Has these cars at home, so I'm not really concerned with this one being a driver error. I think this one was kind of more of a freak accident, which is okay. One car incident from what I'm hearing and what we can see. But we should be able to get it, no problem. We're not gonna start the car just in case of an oil leak. We don't wanna mess up anything further, which a gracious tow truck company would do. Always a good thing. But also, I think we should take the scenic route home, Beer. Maybe check out the Hoover Dam on the way back. One of our recommended driving destinations here at Royalty Exotic Cars is the Hoover Dam. So take the cars out here, have fun, just don't end up in a ditch. See it?
See it?
I don't yet. Your eyes must be better than mine. Looks like our destination is up here on the right there. Oh, baby! And we have ourselves a winner.
Your destination is on the right.
Yep. Oh. Woo! Look how close it was to that. Yikes.
Fuck. I don't even know how to turn around.
Looks like we gotta go up in the gas station. thing we got these handy dandy lights on the tow truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go straight up and probably just tuck it under there with the bed as best as we can. Ooh wee. Tactical tow truck master, baby. Can we go back any further?
No, we got the curb and the bottom.
Thank God this dirt that we stopped us.
Dang, it's crazy. Stop what you're doing right now. Hit like right now. We need 15,000 likes, guys. First STO crash in the world. Hit the like button.
Hey.
Well, hey.
So, you know the tow hook is in the car. You have the tow hook, right?
Yeah, it's already on there. Can you see the winch?
No. I really don't think you should pull that car forward. I mean, you could try. It's in neutral, right?
We're gonna put it
It will
in
be in
neutral.
just a second. We wanted it.
No, turn the car on. Turn it on and put it in neutral.
No, we wanted to get it hooked up because
I know, but don't disengage the gears because the front diff. And just go in and sit in there, turn the car on, and then get in there. Where else is the damage?
Just
kind of like all over almost.
All right, I just want to watch you guys tow it. So, who else is with you?
it's me. I'm filming it.
What?
It's Tony and Beer. I'm filming it.
Oh. All right. Okay, well, just get in the car. Great, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You see,
Alright.
this is crazy.
I'm
Look at it.
I have a seat here. Hold on.
Just pop it.
That's why I put the seat all the way back. Hey, can you grab the key?
Yeah.
You want to pull it up?
Pull it up?
Yeah.
All right. You're gonna turn the to the right. Right. All right, we're straight now.
Okay.
Yeah, you want the wheels turned this way?
It's all, I can't.
Do you want
it? It feels like it's sliding.
Yeah, but the winch is gonna pull it whichever way regardless.
Okay.
So, just, yeah, keep the wheels straight. Right there, nope, to the right, just a little bit. Hold on.
You want to say anything to the camera?
I'm sorry, Houston.
Yeah.
I'm sorry,
It's
Houston.
facing the other way.
Sorry, bud.
Woo. All right, quick recap of the damages. Beer, what do we got?
All the wheels, front bumper, front lip, a little bit of undercarriage damage. Pretty much all the control arms in the rear are all broken. We have a custom quadristeer now. First STO in the States, in the world actually, that has capable of fully turning all four wheels. And yeah, aside from that, it's for the scenario and what it was, I think it's in pretty decent shape for what it could have been.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Would you say that the PPF was worth it?
Yeah.
I mean, look at it.
Yeah.
So, just so everybody can see how close this was. So, we pulled the car up from here. The back wheel was actually hanging off. So you had your back wheel, you can see the tracks, out over this overhang. And there are pictures, I think we got the video of it as well, but this was hanging over, I mean, a foot to the left, and this is a lot more damage and possibly some injuries. Also, you have these poles and everything. I mean, it's something like straight out of Final Destination. And it happened at such low speeds, which is another weird thing. But you see this wheel here, I mean, it's got another eye, so it's nice cockeyed. But it could have been a lot worse, and we're super thankful that everybody's safe, everybody's happy. They understand what's going on next, but we gotta get some water.
Yes.
It's hot. Woo! But I think this is the first STO crash.
In the world.
Most likely the first STO crash.
Yeah.
First one delivered, first one crashed. North America at least. So,
And the only rental.
and the only rental. So we're gonna go get some water. We're gonna get it back to the shop. Houston's gonna give you guys a full breakdown once we get this thing back to the shop of what is wrong with this car. And it's on to the next one.
What a great day to come to work. You know, honestly, at this one, I'm pretty mad. I'm like legit mad right now. I love how Beer's smiling. What's wrong with you? Why would you smile for some shit like this? Try to smack Beer right now.
Do it right now.
Roll the window up. First time I beat up a employee.
Can I say
Second
something?
time.
Why is it every time that a crazy accident happens, you or me is not here?
Sunday. It's been Sundays. I think Tony's got some shit going down where he's doing, like, he's renting to some really unexperienced people on Sundays because I'm not here to oversee who gets the cars, right? When I was in charge of royalty and worked the front desk, I didn't have any of this happen because I was so picky with who I'd rent to because I couldn't replace the cars. And it's funny because I can't replace this car. This car is literally one of a kind. I mean, it's Jesus Christ. Oh, man. The worst part about this car here is that every piece of the body is one piece, right? So like the front, that damage in the front, it's all just one big piece that comes off the car. When you look at the back, oh, I can see everything's bent back here, Beer. Oh. There's guaranteed to be fluid under there. All this is trashed. Look, see right here? All this is carbon, right? And it's just all cracked. Up here is cracked. I can't see over here, but I guarantee you that's cracked. Everything under the underside.
Piece of your lower suspension.
Oh, that's the lower suspension. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. It's very cool. Right here, we've got this. On the tow truck, it's going to be really hard to see underneath. The vehicle went, dude, it was like 6 feet away from sheer death. Like a 20-foot drop off. Like it would have been stuck downward like this.
And those poles like spikes sticking up out of it.
Oh, that could have killed someone. But the front's trashed. I mean, it's just, this car is definitely totaled. It doesn't really take much to total a car of this caliber because everything is so expensive. I haven't priced this out yet, but I can promise you that a front lip that's this big, like this wide on an Aventador S is $12,000, $10,000 at wholesale, $12,000 at retail. This is one big piece of carbon fiber. The whole entire thing is one big piece of carbon fiber. I'm gonna say that piece is $65,000, $70,000. I'm gonna put it out there. At the lowest, it's $40,000.
So in a situation like this with a car that's special, what would happen?
They're gonna total this car, even at, let's say this value of this car is $600,000. $580,000 is the current value of an STO.
So insurance pays for the current value.
They have to pay the current value, just like the F8, right? So like the F8 that wrecked, it still hasn't been paid for because the value of that F8 is $200,000 over sticker right now. I mean, you go look on eBay, F8 coupes are just, they're out of control, you know? And that car, I even paid over sticker for that car. So the market's just going up, and that's obviously because of all the shortages. There is no way that these parts even exist yet. They've only made like under 500 STOs. and they're just barely getting to America, this car would take at least a year to fix. So the insurance company's responsibility is to pay for every single day that the car is down, right? And this car is $3,500 a day. So you just, every 10 days is 35 grand, right? So a month it's 100,000. If this took a year, they'd pay millions of dollars in this claim, right? So they have to pay the current market value of the car, right? Or they have to fix it. So fixing it is obviously gonna be more expensive, even though the parts may not technically be more than 50% of the value. There's probably not 300 grand in repair in the car. But because of the time and the manufacturers and the shutdowns and all the stuff, that's what happened, if you guys don't remember, to the blue Huracan, the 2019, that happened actually during our COVID shutdown, right? So 2020 in May or April, whenever that was, that got crashed, the antifreeze one, that car didn't have enough damage to total it. It had enough damage to where we couldn't get the parts though. So we couldn't get fenders, we couldn't get this, couldn't get that, and they ended up totaling the car because there was just no way to fix it. But I can tell you right now, based on the splits right here and this crack and all this, there's a lot of suspension and there's a lot of metal tweaks, right? So all like to crack this way, it means that a bar in there is tweaked upwards, right? Or something along those lines. So there's gonna be a lot of hidden damage that we can't see here. I have no idea how you're gonna get this wheel off with the center lug with the way that the wheel is. It's just gonna be impossible almost. Oh, it sucks, man. We can't get another STO, so I'll try to find one, but I know we can't. I know for a fact we can't. Like, I saw one at Lamborghini Huracán STO for $620,000. I mean, like, it's just a lot of money, you know. Like, I don't think that there's a way for us to replace this. So I think the STO is dead.
All right, guys, we want to get this video to 15,000 likes. We have our brand new merch dropping on Saturday, September 4th, but you have the opportunity to get some free merch. All you have to do is like this video. Need to get it to 15,000 likes, and we're going to give away a ton of our new merch, hats, shirts for women, kids, men, everything you may need. 15,000 likes, guys. Go like the video right now.
And we kiss.